Okay, hello Diners, good morning. So, welcome back with me, Miss Ara. Today, we will learn about how to improve our English speaking skill. Yeah, actually, English is very important for our life since English is international language. So, it's important to us if we have good capability in English since it's needed for job or for school, take a master degree and anything. Here, I will tell you about 5 ways how to improve English speaking skill. Okay, first of all, you can expand your vocabulary. Vocabulary is one of the most important things in English because when you have an idea but you don't know about vocabulary, I think it will so hard to arrange the sentence. For example, you will say something like, aku harus pergi ke sekolah. You should say like, I should go to school. But when you don't know about vocabulary, teman-teman nggak akan tahu mau ngomong apa, mau tulis gimana. So, the first step you should do is expand your vocabulary. I have suggestion. You can increase your vocabulary from read news, read article, read novel, or just listening to music, like watching movie. Yeah, it will boost your vocabularies. Okay, next, improve your pronunciation. Yeah, pronunciation is very crucial for us because we can understand each other. Jadi teman-teman saat ngelakuin conversation sama orang lain, kalau pronunciation-nya jelas, itu enak ke yang lain juga. Contohnya nih, pronunciation I love you. Kan harusnya I love you ya, bukan I love you. I love di sini kayak love, tertawa gitu. I love you, aku cinta kamu. Gimana kalau misalkan pronunciation-nya salah? Kan nggak enak juga gitu. So the third is confidence. Yeah, I think it's the biggest problem of you guys. For example, there's lot of my student. They say, Miss, I don't have a confidence to speak English because I'm afraid if everyone judge me because my English so bad. Yeah, the first thing you should see is confident. Jadi teman-teman, confident itu sangat penting ya. Jadi apalagi nih buat teman-teman yang lagi belajar di tempat kursus ya, baik itu di Pare ataupun di tempat-tempat lain, I think you should have confident because kalau kalian lagi di tempat kursus, itu percaya deh sama aku, gak akan ada satu orang pun yang ngejudge kalian ngomong apa, kalian salah grammarnya, pronunciation-nya. Gak, itu kesampingin dulu. Yang penting confident dulu. Confident to talk ya. Oke, kita ke yang keempat nih. Next, ada habituation. Habit, kebiasaan ya. Speaking is about practice. Speaking is about habit. Jadi, percuma. I think if you have lots of vocabularies, you have a good skill at grammar, or you have good pronunciation, but teman-teman gak ngegunain itu di percakapan sehari-hari, ya percuma gitu. Sayang banget skill bahasa Inggrisnya gitu kan. Karena gak dijadiin habit atau habituation. Oke nih, last aku punya saran atau tips. You can use application, like HelloTalk. Nah, HelloTalk di sini aku nggak di-endorse ya, nggak di-endorse HelloTalk, but personally I use that application. And you can speak with native. Jadi teman-teman bisa nih ngobrol sama native speaker kalau pakai HelloTalk gitu ya. I think it's good to improve your confidence. It's good to make new friends from other country. Jadi teman-teman bakal nemu banyak aksen di dunia ini. Ternyata aksen bahasa Inggris itu is not about British accent or American accent or Australian accent, tapi masih ada banyak aksen-aksen lainnya. Contohnya orang India pakai aksen India dengan suara D-nya yang kental gitu ya. Terus ada juga Prancis ya, France, mereka juga punya aksen yang he-nya itu kayak apa ya, tebal banget gitu. Terus contohnya lagi ada Italia, ada Singapura, China, mereka dengan aksennya masing-masing. Like the more fluent you are in English, the more exciting, interesting, and insightful conversation you can have. Jadi, yang penting nih dari English itu, semuanya penting ya. Baik itu reading, grammar, speaking, sama writing. But if you talk about speaking, I have 5 suggestions for you how to improve speaking skill. First, you can expand your vocabulary. 2, you can improve your pronunciation. And the next, you should have a good confidence. And then don't forget about habituation. And the last one is using application. Ada banyak ya, nggak hanya Hello Talk aja, tapi teman-teman juga bisa pakai Duolingo, bisa pakai Cake, bisa juga pakai yang lain-lain. Oke, nah gimana nih? Udah ada yang gunain tips ini semua belum? Kalau udah, bisa komen ya di bawah. Oke, I think that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our video. And see you!